Tourism Minister Francisco Xavier Pacheco has been granted an interim relief by the District and Sessions Court. Mr. Pacheco had applied for an anticipatory bail in view of the first information report filed against him over an alleged extortion at a Majorda-based casino in South Goa some 3.5 months back.
Earlier, speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Pacheco had said that he has applied for an anticipatory bail to save his image and that of his party in view of the coming elections in Maharashtra.
Anticipatory bail. I have to go because I don't trust this government. See, there are elections around the corner in Maharashtra. Tomorrow, I don't want unnecessary issue that that hype on the media saying NCP leader and Minister of Tourism been arrested for extortion. So that's the reason I'm gone for anticipatory bail. You never know. I had seen these cases like example like Babush, example like Ishwajit. There are cases. I don't know how this system goes. The state of Goa, the people are worried. What is their safety, in Goa?
Mr. Pacheco also had said that one of the Congress ministers, along with the hotel owner where the casino is based, went to the Nationalist Congress Party President Sharad Pawar in Delhi and complained against him.
This misinterpret extortion was shock to me. In fact, a leader from here gone to Sharad Pawarji few days back and complained against me that I've been harassing the casinos. Now this is a case been registered against me, extortion, where there has never been somebody never given a complaint against me that is extortion. Okay, and gaming in casino is not barred to the minister or MLA because it's officially been given by this government. Goa government given licenses to gaming.
He said he was puzzled by the figure mentioned in the FIR. He said he had already won rupees 7.5 lakhs and wondered where the figure of rupees 3.69 mentioned in the FIR came from.
I don't understand this figure, which extortion 3.69 is the Israeli figure. I don't know from where they got. The last time I've been to Majorda is on 31st of May. Okay, and that's not 3.69. In fact, they gave me 7.5 lakh, which I won them on the casino.